Did you know that volcanic ash, often seen as a destructive force, is actually a secret ingredient for lush, fertile soil? When a volcano erupts, it spews out ash rich in minerals, like potassium and phosphorus. These minerals break down over time, enriching the soil and creating a perfect environment for crops to thrive. This process is so effective that some of the world's most productive agricultural regions are near volcanoes. So next time you see a volcano, remember it's not just a fiery mountain, but a natural fertilizer factory.